Hello, this is Andrew H. Week 8 presentation, Complex Numbers and Dividing. Here we have a problem with when we are dealing with complex numbers when we're dividing. Our problem is 7 minus 4i over 12 plus I. Now, when you have a complex number problem and you're dividing, you always want to start by dividing or multiplying each side by the conjugate. Now, the conjugate is you take your denominator and you just use the opposite sign. So in this case, it's going to be 12 minus I. And you do that to the numerator and the denominator. Now, our second step is we are going to FOIL each of these. So I'll write them out into two binomials. Sorry for the glare. Over 12 plus I, 12 minus I. And now for our third step, it's just a simple FOIL for the numerator and the denominator. So if we FOIL the top, we're going to get 84 minus 7i minus 48i plus 4i squared over, now we just FOIL the bottom. So that would give us 144 minus 12i plus 12i minus I squared. Now, if we look down here, you can see the negative 12i and the positive 12i. Those will just cancel each other out. And from the third step, for the fourth step, what you want to do is you just want to gather or collect like terms. So in this case, we will get 84 and negative 7 minus 48 will give us a negative 55i plus 4i squared over 144 minus I squared. Now, when dealing with complex numbers, I squared is equal to negative 1. And for future reference, just if you were wondering, I is equal to the square root of negative 1. Now, in step 5, what we are going to do is we are going to take out this I squared and replace it with negative 1 in order to find our answer. So we will get 84 minus 55i plus 4, and that will be a negative 1 over 144 minus the negative 1 for our I squared. Now, in step 6, what we'll do is we'll just add them up. So we'll get 84 minus 55i minus 4 over 144 plus 1, because the minus sign and the negative sign will give us a positive. Then that will give us 80 minus 55i, because we're collecting like terms, over 145. And that is how you solve complex numbers using dividing. Thank you.